like that.
That doesn't look safe. We need logs and some trash bins.
And you need driving lessons.
You?
No, you, because you
What did
ride
what
like
did
a
I do?
madman.
What did I do?
There's no entry here.
Is this the shit or what? Ah, yes. Gonna be faster.
Where do you want it? Just here? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh yeah, it's there.
All right. This thing is our last mission, and we need to find a place to fill the water bottle. And if that's going to be a success, then we need to find. No, it's not our last mission. It's our last mission on the road. If we do it, if we find the water, Wasser, yeah.
Dude, this is fucking heavy. The handlebar is wobbling on the low speed because of that. Just look at the view. The mission. Maybe you think they're gonna put. So this is the back, the water back. Maybe you think they're gonna put in some water. What? Oh, beer. Hey guys, can I ask you a question? Do you mind recording? Cool. Hi, Mike.
Nice to meet you.
We have a bag.
Yeah?
We need water in it.
Yeah, no
Can we have some?
Absolutely, yeah, no problem. No problem at all.
Thank you. Do you know where we can camp here?
In a camper van or free camping? In a tent?
Tent.
Pretty much everywhere you can.
Yeah?
See, if you find a spot, you can camp anywhere you want. pretty much.
Just like that. What about the fire?
Fire are allowed as well.
Allowed.
See,
Okay.
I used to always do fires in the beach.
Okay.
Never had problems. We always do barbecues.
Okay.
I'm from Spain, and in Spain is illegal, but in here you're allowed. But just make sure you put it out. But
Yeah, of course. Safety and blah
yeah,
blah blah.
safety, blah blah.
Yeah.
But
Is that full enough, or do you want?
Yeah, that's alright. That's alright.
You got
Okay,
it?
thank you very much.
No
Did you
worries.
put the alcohol in it?
No.
So this is not vodka.
No.
We got water. Like that. That doesn't look safe.
I think we can manage even to wash ourselves in that. He's done it again.
Nope.
It jiggles like my belly. all these bikers, right? All these bikers, and they all went to a hotel.
Let's go. Yeah, it's not that bad. I can drive with all this shit on the bike. However, it's on that low speed. It's wobbly because there's so much weight on the back and it's pretty high. But that's the adventure, right? Take a look. Amazing. Woo. Now the last quest is find the place to have a tent, have a camp. Let's roll! Alright, so we wanted to stay here, but there's no overnight camping, so that's not good. It will be perfect here, look. Because the view is stunning. Maybe there.
Yeah.
I've got like
Here.
here.
Here. So this here. Yeah. This is that another one. Dag and Bay. Oh no, sorry, this is road. Oh, it's going even right, not there.
Oh,
it's just a
okay.
footpath here.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Fuck's sake.
That's a shame. Let's look elsewhere. That's a cool spot to have a tent. These are the gates for the boats, so the boats can sail up the hill, not backwards. It's an amazing thing. Okay, so we are there. Let's find the place where we're gonna have our tent. And the tent will be here. We have a sunset and we're gonna have sunrise there. Amazing. Love it. First things first.
Let's open the bottle.
Yes. First thing first. Let's check the eggs.
Oh, right. I forgot about them.
Oh shit!
Just one? No.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. All right. First things first. Next.
As you always say, first of all, put up the tent, then open the bottle, right?
a camping begin. So I'm gonna roll my cigarette and then before the sundown, sundown, the tent.
This is going to be our camping place, and it doesn't look like fancy pantsy, but look.
Mike, nice to meet you.
I'm Tina.
Tina, Mike,
Mike and
Arthur.
Arthur, lovely.
this is our tent.
Come here, you two. So you're going to get your tent up and
Yeah.
get away from the midges.
Yeah, yeah.
Hopefully it's allowed. Is it?
This is 2 seconds tent.
Oh, it's a one that just pops up.
Shoot.
It should. We only tried it once. It should work.
Good with the bike, though. The little one, Jack, come here. He'd be in the water. When we're on the van, when we're travelling, he doesn't like the bikes coming up behind him.
Oh,
He
right.
gets worried.
Yeah.
The baby.
Because they're kind of loud.
Yeah. Come on, you two. Dinner. Come get dinner. I hope you have a good evening.
Thanks very much.
Come on.
I'm not gonna lie, right?
What?
But on our patio, it kind of looked bigger. it's small. I think they found out. Yeah, they've told their friends that we're here, so they're gonna be here all night. Fuck off! Fuck, it's so... Oh, that's a lot! Look! I don't know if you see it. Oh yeah, you can see it on the camera. It's your first time, eh? Fucking hell. I mean, they are absolutely everywhere. Fuck me. So we found out that the only way to get those midges away is to smoke a cigarette. So I think that's how we're gonna smell today. Just cigarettes and that's all. And this place, this looks like the place we're gonna take our morning shower. The bikes are performing absolutely fantastic. No issues whatsoever as for now. I'm a bit worried about the oil, because I don't know, I need to check the oil, how much there is. Other than that, I've scratched my tank a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna polish it later on. And other than that, it's yeah, it's a solid bike, solid machine. Can you tour on a GT650? Yes, you can. You can absolutely do whatever you want with your life. Fuck it. It's madness, isn't it?
It's fucking killing me. I don't know how many I smashed on my face, like that.
Yeah.
Like fucking jam.
Yeah.
As hard as you can.
That's what she said.
Yeah, go. The tent is fucking ready. Let's make a fire.
Julia is gonna be proud of you because you're wearing your Your nice hat.
You know what it is?
You know what it is? What is it? Tell us. What is it, Daddy? I have to admit, right? Because I'm making fun of you sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, when it comes to your gadgets, I'm making fun of you, but you are very peculiar kind of gadget guy. Because the thing with your gadgets are
I'm using this gadget.
your gadgets are useful. So that's the difference. Wow.
There.
Wow.
Fireplace.
Wow. Come on, baby, light my fire.
Where is the logs? Bring the logs, please.
Get up. Get up. If you know get up,
Get up.
tell us in the comments.
Hold on. There's something like here in the top corner. No, you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Are we gonna use the whole thing?
I don't know.
I can't imagine us bringing those logs for the whole day tomorrow.
Well, we can buy another one.
Another one bites the dust. Oh yes, that's the famous one. That's the famous. Is that iRobot?
This is fucking Elvis Presley.
Sing this song, put some śmieci tu, hacio. Ha! You didn't try it out back home?
I did.
I did, yeah, okay. Sorry for my disbelief.
As always do. As fucking always. I hope this fucking smoke gonna keep the fucking midgets away.
Midgets. Or midgets. Midgets. You know what's a midget is? You know what a midget is? A midget, right? Is a very small person.
Midget?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
I did not know that.
But you need to remember to be politically correct. It's a very small person. He's how to say it? A midget is a person with height disabilities. That's a shot for the thumbnail. I'm gonna be so jealous about that chair. I'm absolutely sure of it. And I told you that a couple of times.
On eBay, 17 pounds.
Okay.
Because there's no fucking more frustrating thing on the camp when you have no place to sit because everything is wet.
And it is wet.
Are we gonna eat? Nah.
Whee!
Mr. Gadget, part 666. I'm a bit drunk already.
He's got more gadgets. And I'm like, oh fuck! MTV Cribs!
Where is it? Oh, we have a
Dude, this episode's gonna be an hour long.
As a Tom Waits once said on the concert, in the song, nothing like the campfire and canned beans. You're gonna see it tomorrow. But now we're looking for, of course, small.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be handy tomorrow morning.
Oh, you're gonna see it. You're gonna fucking love it. Oh. That and that. I fucking love it. I bought it. This guy knew. Cost like 27 pounds, and I bought it from charity shop like for 9. Never used.
And it's like, no, can you do it properly, like on that bench? And he said like, no, yeah, we're gonna do it like right now, right here, right now. Fatboy Slim, is it? I think so, yeah.
Let's boil some water because there comes another gadget. Fucking gadget. This is the proper way of opening. Oh, come on. Tell me I'm not amazing about that.
Look, if you have any questions, right? Why are we boiling water when there's like campfire there? Just don't ask, okay?
Green curry, barbecue ramen, veg pot. You're going veg.
Okay, no, I'm fine with that. I don't have any problems with veggies. Veggies are nice.
I was fucking waiting a year to have this kind of camp. I bought this fucking all that shit. But I've been waiting like 15 years, 20 years to enjoying this thing, like going out with a motorbike, having a tent, having a fire, all this fucking stuff here to enjoy this simple thing. Yeah, I fucking love it. I wish my daughter be here with me.
One day
on the camp.
Alright, it's
Spicy meatball.
let's go to sleep. Let's just let this day end, okay? It's enough for one day. I've got a funny feeling that this episode is gonna be like almost an hour long. Let's just go home. Go home? No, go to sleep. So cheers, cheerio. Bye bye, and see you.